Whether they see this thing for this, they do it like say easy.
Easy now. Until now.
As your food, wait they put like Oh! Yo! Wow!
Say you know go shout. You do more than shout.
I no shout, I exclaim. See, I no shout.
That's what we expected.
Wow!
Next day,
Yeah.
I know that.
But when you learn this thing, you know, break neck in the process.
If I tell you now, you go fear.
Now you are the fear for when you learn this thing. People you go teach work. Oh! What? No! 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 Oh! I'm amazed. Oh! Oh! What? If I'm at the any TV, I'll pay you. You know, you go to watch TV from morning when I return from work.
Yeah.
Is that
no, they practice, get ready.
Yeah.
I watch TV, in fact.
You will come for do your exercise, do your thing. Yeah. How was your day, sir? Today is C1, C4. Call your meeting. Can I renege on the promise?
No.
Hey, Jesus. Whether they see this thing for this, they do it like say easy.
Easy now. Until now.
As your food, wait they put like Woo! Yeah, at least other people do, they don't die.
Oh, now that you fear.
They just do part the neck.
No. If
The
not
neck
that,
don't
forget.
go.
If not that, forget.
Wow.
Come forward small.
Forward how?
This way.
You did laugh.
You know why you did laugh? Because you can tell me, say, if I say come forward,
Okay.
it's backwards.
Oh.
I say go forward.
Okay.
Come means
Come
back.
forward to you.
I don't understand the same thing. I don't tell you forward. You're supposed to go forward.
Oh boy.
Look straight. Try to relax. Let your fingers go. See how you they breathe.
Oh my.
Don't fall my hand.
This one. Oh! Yo! Wow! Jesus!
Even your voice don't change.
Wow!
You say you know go shout. You do more than shout.
I no shout, I exclaim. Wow. See, I no shout.
That's what we expected.
Wow.
What I do inside, you just walk and walk.
Wow. Oh boy. Wow. Troy.
Who's Troy?
My goodness.
The next thing they
Yeah.
I know that.
But when you learn this thing, you know, break neck in the process.
If I tell you now, you go fear.
Now you are the fear for when you learn this thing. People you go teach work. What did they give them as dumb?
No, we know they use human being to learn now.
Boy.
Deep breath in.
Mm.
On the move. Back.
Oh! What? Yeah. Yo. Chineke. Oh, don't you other side, have you?
See now, they go there ask, why do people laugh? Why are they laughing? Oh, yeah, tell us why you
You go, you laugh yourself, say, wow, like, now maybe this, say, all these problems are just one small crack. Wow.
Where is this one?
Okay. No! Whoa. 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 Man, this is real low. Look, the same trick. Ah.
Come to this one.
And what it does to the body. Man. Ah. It's back home.
Two of them more.
It's back home.
And more.
No! Oh! 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 What? Oh! Ha! You don't finish, have you?
For real?
Wow!
Done this one.
I'm amazed.
Amazing.
Oh, I needed that one. Ah, that one very.
The other ones you don't need them.
No. This one has been dreading me for days, weeks. Wow.
Head down. Relax, let it down.
Oh! Whoa! I said, whoa.
Stiff down, this one. This shoulder.
Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. The nose.
Bro, this is what brought you now. Am I right?
Sweat out.
This way. Deep breath in and out. Let go of your fingers. But bring your hand to your chest. Try.
Oh! Again. What? You pay me some one drive now.
I sleep away now.
You just go on bed, just sleep. Suppose get more.
I will get. You go rest like you hear me.
Eh?
You go use a scratch pen. You will rest for like 15, 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then when you come out, I'll give you the health tips, then you can go.
Okay.
And you know they go now.
Sure. Because you need to
Just calm down.
need to set in. Like, goodness. This guy that actually person get, if you get, I didn't look at money now, just employ me for house.
This small money, they charge yourself.
No, that is to just
For house.
Just day my house. After every day, after every meeting. He said, hey, where's Honor? Meet me in my chiropractic section of the mansion. You just day. We'll pay you heavy salary, 32 million per month. No,
It's heavy, that's not heavy.
It's not heavy.
For where?
How much you want? If I'm at anything, I'll pay you. You know, you want to watch TV from morning when I return from work.
Yeah.
Is that
they practice, get ready.
Yeah.
I watch TV, in fact.
You go come, do exercise, do your thing. How was your day, sir? Today is C1, C4. Call of your meeting. Tomorrow I come, I don't today I addressed a conference. So you stood a lot. That means C1, C8. It's not C8. It's C7. Yeah, C7. When nobody chop your money, we C8. Wow, thank you, man. Thank you.